Do you ever have those days where you feel like that you are on an autopilot and drifting aimlessly from one task to another? What if I told you there is a simple little practice that can help you navigate through those kind of days mindfully? Hello there, I'm Neha and welcome to my channel. Now, before we begin, here's a disclaimer. Intentional living or living in alignment with your values isn't a one-stop magical solution. Though it is effective, it is easy to adapt and can actually change the course of your day. And that sounds quite close to magic, right? Well, before I share with you the method to set an intention and the ways to make it into a daily practice, let's first understand what are intentions. Broadly speaking, intentions are a guidepost for how we want to show up each day. It is the internal compass that can not only give clarity on what you really want from the day, from your life, but also help you stay mindful and grounded. Now, setting an intention is quite different from setting a goal. It is not something that you can cross off from your to-do list. It's a way of being. It's a mindset shift geared towards how you want to feel rather than what or where you want to be. For example, the goal might be I want to lose 2 kgs by the end of this month. Now, the intention for the same purpose would be today I intend to prioritize my health. As intention comes from a place of emotion, there isn't any limitation, there isn't any need to prove anything. Yet, it is action oriented, it is something that you can work for in the present moment. Intentions help you get out of an autopilot mode, and that is why setting them daily is a game changer. Now, your intentions can be same each day or can change monthly, or they can change depending on the season of life you are going through. You can choose an intention for any aspect of your life: mental, emotional, physical, spiritual, creative, social, or financial. There are no set rules. What matters is that you tune into them each day and make them part of your daily routine. Now, if you feel that setting an intention is like adding one more task in your to-do list, then I get it. I felt the same for a very long time. But then, here's the thing about intentions. They don't take a lot of time, and they can be anything that you want in order to feel grounded and motivated throughout the day. The key is to find something that you really want and are willing to work for. So, to make the whole process of setting an intention easy, here are some questions that you can ask yourself. What can I do to make my life better now? What do I value most? What do I want to bring into this day? How do I want to feel today? What's the one word I can use to describe who I want to be today? What do I need to stop doing? What do I wish for myself? What would I like to release today? What do I want to be more of to my family, friends, or co-workers? What qualities do I want to nurture in myself? Now, you can consider any or all of these questions when you are thinking about your intentions. With time and with practice, you won't need these questions and it will come easily to you. Now, your intention for the day can be just a word, a sentence, or a paragraph. Do what works for you. Like in my case, I like to use the simple template. Today, I intend to. Based on the day, I complete the sentence in the following ways. Today, I intend to stay patient, connect with others, embrace who I am, be mindful of my reactions, slow down, feel grateful for what I have, trust the timing of my life. So I hope these questions and examples have given you enough ideas to move ahead on this intention setting journey. Do remember that our intentions are as individual as we are. So choose the intention that feels good to you, that resonates with you. Now, here are some steps that you can take to make intention setting an effective practice and a part of your daily routine. It is important to set the intention early in the day so that you can make the most of it. You can do this activity the minute you get up or while brushing your teeth, or during your morning workout, or while making your coffee, or driving to work. It takes a few minutes, so pick a slot where you are calm and can focus without any distraction. It is important to use positive words to define your intention because the language that we use have a strong impact on how we feel and how we react. So make sure to align your intention with what you want rather than focusing on your problem. For example, instead of today I want to be less stressed, it should be today I intend to be calm and present. Intentions are most powerful when they are declared outside of your own head. It can be declared to yourself or to others, or it can be written down. Personally, I like to write it down. I keep a stack of post-its near my bedside table. So when I get up in the morning, the first thing I do is write my intention for the day. Some days I also reflect and meditate on my intention during my art meditation practice. Now, instead of speaking your intention out loud, if you want to write it down, then you can use a journal, a calendar, notes app on your phone, whiteboard, or any other way that works for you. The most important thing is that you do the whole process mindfully and you state the intentions rather than keeping it in your head. Our brain thrives on repetition, so whenever possible, repeat your intention. Say it again and again. It doesn't have to be a loud proclamation to the whole world, but it can be a whisper. Another thing that you can do is to make your intentions visible. As I said before, I use a sticky note. So what I do is that I stick it on the glass board in my studio, and that way it is in front of me most of the time in the day. You can stick your intentions on the fridge, laptop, dashboard, bathroom mirror, any place where you will see them frequently and will be reminded of them. As you go through your day, consider how your choices align with your intention. So for example, if your intention for the day is to take things lightly, and then if a situation arrives which is out of your control or irritates you, then before reacting, step back and reflect on your intention. And then, based on what feels right to you, take the next step. Also, if you realize that you have gotten off track, then it doesn't mean that it's over for the day. For example, if your intention is to stay focused and you wasted some time on your phone, then it's okay. You can get in touch with your intention again and start fresh. This is it for today, guys. I hope this video has cleared your doubts about intentions and has inspired you to set them for yourself. Do share some of the intentions that you have figured out for yourself in the comment section below. I would love to read them. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.